the context of this video is the side plane, 2 petal, opposite direction, in spin flower, where you do the petals at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. And we are in side opposite right. So the left hand is underhand and the right hand is overhand. Let us start first with the Pilates. Now, if you look at the motion, what you'll notice is we're at the T, then we swing to the T. Then we're at left is going to go to the front, right goes to the back. That's your first T. Then they both come up and over and they switch positions. And then they do a petal there. Then they both come across the bottom and switch positions back to where you started. So over the top to the T, across the bottom to the T. Over the top to the T, across the bottom to the T. Open to the left, open to the right. Open to the left, open to the right. And look forward the whole time. Open to the left, open to the right, open to the left, open to the right. Open to the left, and open to the right, and open to the left, and then open to the right, and open to the left, and open to the right, and open to the left, and open to the right. So it's going to go to the front, then go over the top to the back, then across the bottom to the front, and then over the top to the back. And now let's try it in single repetitions. So we'll go front and back and front and back and front. Look to the front, back, yes, front and back, front and back and front and back, and 4 and 3 more and 2 more and last one. Right hand is an overhand. The right hand is going to start in the back position here. So your hip is open to the right, and you're starting in the back position. And while you're looking at me now, in general, as you're doing the drill, you want to try and look forward because that's how you're going to execute it. Then you're going to go over the top to the front, and in theory, your hip would really open that way because your left hand would be back here. Then you're going to go to the back, and then you're going to come to the front. Now let's do single repetitions in each position, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and back, and front, and hip, and front, back, front, back and front, back and front, back and front, back, front, looking forward and front, and 4 more, and 3 more, and back and front and back, front and back and front and back, front and back and front, back, front and back and front and back, front, over, back, under, front, over, back, under, front, over, back, under, front, over, back, under, front and back and front and back, front and back and front and back, and 4 more and 3 more and 2 more and last one. Left hand is underhand, right hand is overhand. Let's just take a moment here within our sides, noticing the relaxation in our shoulder. You're pumping your hands up and down. You're holding it comfortably there. Breathe into it. Relax. And we're going to take a deep breath and then let out any stress and tension you may have. And 5, 6, 7, and left, front, right, back, holds. And swing it around, left, back, right, front, hold. And swing it across the bottom, left, front, right, back, and hold. And we're going to come over the top and left, back, right, front, and hold. Swing across the bottom and left, front, right, back. And swing left, back, right, front. And swing left, front, right, back. And swing left, back, right, front. And swing left, front, right, back. Over the top, left, back, right, front. Across the bottom, left, front, right, back. Across the top, left, back, right, front. Across the bottom and left, front, right, back. Swing left, back, right, front. Swing left, front, right, back. Swing left, back, right, front. Swing and pedal and swing and pedal and swing. Pedal and swing and pedal, swing and pedal and swing and pedal and swing.